I have a feeling you're up to, this was a sophisticated operation. I try never to get involved in what they do. It's their business. This should never been charged as a 90-day misdemeanor. Never.
Your Honor, if I may, regarding his income, he is trying to find other shifts at other shops in his community.
Yeah, I mean, he should have been doing that years ago. I'm not trying to be it's his life.
He's also, told me that he's gonna be getting engaged in skilled trades. So to enter, he has his high school diploma from Oak Park, and he's going to be enrolling in Wayne County Community College to get a ball rolling as far as
That's
skilled
good.
trades.
That's good. Perfect. But time's rolling on you. You know what I mean? Good luck.
Go ahead.
Period. You need to work. You're not working. I mean, you tell me you got full-time employment, but you work in a barber shop where you make $100 a week. That can't be full-time. Unless you cut one hair and then sit there for 8 hours and then come back the next day and cut one hair and sit there for 8 hours. That's not working. And I didn't like the way this whole thing went down on this. I read this report. You guys were acting in concert with one another. There's no way I'm not placing you on probation. You cannot leave the state, 12 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. If you're not to enter.
Right away, you can feel the judge isn't buying any excuses. This is one of those moments where the court believes the defendant wasn't acting alone. Acting in concert basically means a coordinated effort. That instantly raises the seriousness of the case. What do you think? Was this a planned operation or just bad judgment stacking up?
You're not to enter 21,000 West Road in Woodhaven or any other Lowe's store. You're not to have any contact with employees of the Woodhaven Lowe's. No contact with employees of the Woodhaven Lowe's store. You're to attend the economic crime program. You're to serve 2 days on the court work program. You're to pay, which results in a $35 a day cost. You're to pay restitution in the amount of $1,146. That will be paid through the court. You're to pay fines 100, costs 50, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. Fines and costs are $275. Screening fee is $60 for $335. Probation fees are $240 for $575. You have attorney fees of $40 for $615. Court work program fees of $70 for $685. And then you have $1146 in restitution. Total should be
Pause for a second. This is where things get heavy. The total financial hit, probation rules, and restrictions are stacking up fast. This isn't just a slap on the wrist. It's a structured punishment designed to control behavior long term. And that 90-day jail warning, that's the pressure point. Do you think penalties like this actually change someone's life or just trap them deeper?
Heather, would you do the math? I think it's 1931. That includes the
Judge,
restitution.
I got 1831.
Yeah, you might be right. I think you're right. It's 1830. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. It's your life. Really? I mean, they only give us one of these things. You got 3 kids. You're on a bridge card benefits. You're not working enough. At some point, if you've been a barber for 10 years, I think it said, yeah, 10 years and you're in 100 a week, maybe it's time to find something else to do. That's just my opinion. Can you pay all of this today?
No, Your Honor, we would ask the court if you could set up a payment plan with probation department.
No, I'll set it up for him. Maybe eligible for early discharge if he's compliant, so he could get off in 6 months if everything's taken care of.
Thank you, Jeff.
If he doesn't have any previous violations, you're gonna tell me how much you can afford to pay, Mr. Robertson. I hope you came here with some money. I thought we talked about that. You owe this store a lot of money. I know we all get to decide our own fate. You ever think about doing something else? Like, I don't care if it's a Burger King. I mean, you're gonna make $16 an hour. You work 40 hours there, you work 40 at McDonald's, you're making a good living. You put yourself in a bad position here, but I'm not making those wait too long for this money. So you gotta figure out something. If you think you're gonna tell me 20 a week or something, that's not gonna work.
No, Your Honor, I believe that if you divide the amount into 6 months, then he will have that paid off in 6 months. For whatever that,
I don't think he will. How can he?
but he wants to get off.
He's making. All right, so you think he could pay $150 bi-weekly?
Yes,
How much do you have today? I'm telling you what,
100 by the end of the week.
pay $150 bi-weekly. I'm starting you March the 13th. If you need more time, you're gonna come and talk to me. Mr. Robertson. Am I making any sense to you? Sorry. I hope so. I mean, you're gonna be 36 years old or 35 years old, right?
Yes,
I ask you a question. I'm not trying to be a wise guy. If you're full-time as a barber, how many hours are you there?
5 to 9.
5 to 9
Almost.
a day?
Yes, sir.
So you're working anywhere between 25 and 45 hours a week.
Some weeks are busy, some months are busy.
But if you're making $100 a week, that means you're only making $4 an hour if you work in 25.
As a minimum.
What to tell you, son. I have a feeling you're up to, this was a sophisticated operation. I try never to get involved in what they do. It's their business. This should never been charged as a 90-day misdemeanor. Never.
Your Honor, if I may, regarding his income, he is trying to find other shifts at other shops in this community.
Yeah, I mean, he should have been doing that years ago. I'm not trying to be it's his life.
He's also, told me that he's gonna be getting engaged in, skilled trades. So to, enter, he has his high school diploma from Oak Park, and he's going to be enrolling in Wayne County Community College, to get a ball rolling as far as,
That's
skilled
good.
trades.
That's good. Perfect. But time's rolling on you. You know what I mean? Good luck. You'll meet with probation. Thank